Imagine this. One day you wake up and check your phone. Then you open some emails. After that, money will come to your account. You just opened an email and you get paid for doing it. It's a really simple way of earning money, right? Well, it can be your reality. All you need to do is to use the website that I will tell you about. As you will see on the site, they have already paid $5,278 to other people who are using this platform. The people on this site come from all over the world. They are all receiving emails and they get paid for opening those things. As you can see, there are people using this site from Brazil, Mexico, Thailand, and Indonesia. Of course, this site is also available for everyone worldwide. It doesn't matter where you come from because you can try this site anywhere in the world. Now, make sure that you pay attention to this video so that you will not miss any important information. A reminder before I share this tip, do not forget to like and subscribe to our account for more fantastic financial contents. This is the Online Money Machine, and here I will teach you amazing yet simple ways and tips on how to make money online. Again, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification button to know more about our future money-making contents. Being updated to the latest hacks will let you start earning more money. Lastly, let's make this an interactive learning experience by commenting and posting your questions, comments, reactions, and thoughts in the comment section of the video. The first thing you need to do this technique is to have a working email address. For this part, you can choose any email service provider on the internet. You can use Gmail, Yahoo, Outlook, and other email providers on the internet. Just make sure that the email that you will use is a working one that you personally own. One of the tips that I can give you is to make and to get as many email addresses as you can. You will receive more emails when you have multiple email addresses. Thus, the amount of money that you can earn will also increase. So the sign-up process is really easy. However, I will still give a short rundown from those people who are new to our channel. Basically, you just need to go to Google and search for Gmail to create an account. After that, choose the link and you will be redirected to another page. On this page, just look for the Create an Account button and press it. The signing up process is completely free. You just need to enter the necessary information such as your name, username, or Gmail email address, and your unique password. After that, click the Next button. Now, just include your phone number on it. Although it's optional, I still advise you to do so. You can also put a recovery email address if you want to. After that, you need to fill in the date of your birth, choose your gender, and accept the terms and conditions of the site. You just need to click this button afterwards. That's it. You now have your own email address. For the platform that will pay us for reading emails, you just need to go to volutic.com. This platform will not maximize the amount of money that we can earn. Thus, stay tuned until the end of the video to know what platform will provide us with the best results. In this site, you can earn money regardless of where you are and what gadgets you use. You can either use a PC, tablet, or mobile phones. It means that you can earn money even when you're waiting for bus or taking a bath. You can easily pull your phone up from your pocket, read some emails, and earn money from it. This website's minimum payout is 20 cents. It is not a lot, and you can really achieve it without exerting a lot of effort. You can cash out your money every day. That's really cool, right? Just a friendly reminder from us. This site is not a way to build an actual online business. Instead, this is just a good side hustle that you can do when you have free time on your hands. Currently, the site has 18,326 members from all over the world. All of them are earning money from reading emails. As you can see, these are the people who are getting paid instantly on this platform. What you need to do is to register on this site. To do this, you need to click the register button. After that, you can already sign up for a free account. Just enter your chosen username, email address, and unique password. You can leave this part as blank. After that, you need to accept the terms and conditions of the site. Just tick the boxes beside it to do so. Next, you need to press the register button. Once you're done, you need to click the activation link. If you do not do this, you will not receive any emails. Again, you must activate your account by clicking this link. This will take you back to Volutic. You will also start receiving emails once you log into your account. Now, this is your dashboard. Just scroll and browse this page to familiarize yourself with its content. To withdraw your earnings, you just need to click this button. Before you withdraw your money, you need to create an account on Payeer. So a lot of you might be asking what Payeer is. It is an online multi-cryptocurrency platform that supports the purchasing of goods and services from their site's supported vendors. They are operating in 177 countries worldwide. The site also facilitates fiat and crypto deposits and withdrawals. To create an account on the site, you just need to press this button. It's very easy to create an account on this site. In just a minute, you can have your very own account. Once you're done creating an account, you need to check your account's balance. You will see that the minimum withdrawal amount is 20 cents. Meanwhile, the maximum withdrawal account is $25 per transaction. You will write the amount that you want to withdraw in this box. After that, you just need to press the withdraw button. It's very simple, right? Now, there is another secret that I can share with you. If you're not fond of opening or reading those emails, then there is another option for you. Scroll down on your Volutic page. You will see that you can also get paid by referring other people to this site. You can get your referral link and share it with your friends or family. You can even share it to strangers on the internet. Now, you will get paid whenever people use your link to sign up for an account. Again, earning money through referrals is 100% free. You will get paid $1 for every referral that you can get. That's not it. The amount of money you can earn can also increase depending on your commission levels. These referral links can be used for a lifetime. Thus, you can have another source of passive income for yourself. Making referrals can get you paid more money than just simply reading and opening emails will do for you. Again, you just need to get your referral link and share it on the internet. You can post about it in various groups, forums, and social media accounts. Just make sure that people know that they can earn money from using your link to sign up on Volutic. This is absolutely free. All they need to do is to read and open emails. After that, they will earn money. Since they use your link, you will also earn from this. It is a win-win situation for everyone else. Volutic will reward you for inviting more people to sign up on their site. With this in mind, you can actually create an Instagram account about making money online. In that page, you can continuously advertise and promote Volutic using your own referral link. This is really an incredible opportunity that you should grab. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and visit Volutic. You can already start making your own money online with this strategy. Again, this is Online Money Machine, and do not forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to know more about how to make money online.